Key points for successful promotions. Welcome back to the Affiliate Masterclass. In this section, I'll discuss with you some key points for a successful affiliate promo. Now, the number one key point is pre-promotion. What you should know is that there are several affiliate marketers like you who have a bigger list and even write better promo email than you. The only way for you to outshine them and make more sales than them is with pre-promotion. Pre-promotion is simply to make your audience aware about a product before it's launched. A lot of times when a product is being launched, say by 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, many affiliates are prepared to send their promo email at that time. And there are several common subscribers between affiliates. So on that day a product is being launched, a particular subscriber might receive between 5 to 10 emails promoting the same product. The only way for you to stand out and outshine them is with pre-promotion, which involves you preparing the mind of your subscribers for a particular product. By doing this, you have a high chance of getting sales. Now, how do you go about the pre-promotion? There are several different elements that make up a good pre-promotion. One of them is a pre-sale video. In the pre-sale video, you introduce yourself to your subscribers. Tell them about the product that is about to be launched. Tell them the benefits and why they should get the product. Now, the pre-sale video is going to be on a pre-sale page. The pre-launch page is a page that talks about a product that is being launched and what it does. So you put the pre-sale video in the pre-launch page, preferably at the top of the page. You can add images of the product and even an opt-in form for those of your subscribers that would want to get the product on time. You can also add pictures of your bonuses to motivate them to get the product. Like I said earlier, the essence of the pre-launch page is to get your subscribers to be aware of the product and make them see value in it. Doing a pre-launch page will increase your conversion more than the regular pattern of sending your subscribers straight to the offer. Another key point for a successful promotion is to launch early. When a product is launched, a lot of marketers will mail between 10 minutes to launch time and 10 minutes after. And most of these marketers give out incentives and bonuses that are irresistible. So when your subscribers are offered such bonuses, they will have no choice than to buy from a different affiliate link. To avoid this, you must mail between 10 minutes to the launch time so that your email can get to your subscribers' inbox early. And you mail again like 15 minutes after the launch time. The reason you're doing this is so that after every other affiliate has sent their mail, yours will be top in your subscribers' inbox because you sent late. Remember, you send the first mail 10 minutes before the launch time and 15 minutes after launch time. Another key point to a successful promo is to offer discount. In one of the previous videos, I showed you how to contact the product vendor through social media. So, using the same strategy, you can contact them and ask for a discount coupon for your subscribers to enable you to promote the product better. In most cases, the product vendor will give you a discount coupon of $2, $3, or $5. So you take this coupon and you add it to your email and tell your subscribers about it. So when your subscribers see it, it motivates them to buy the product from your link because they want to save some bucks for themselves. Another key point to achieving a successful promo is by promoting inexpensive offers. As a newbie, this is what your focus should be: promoting cheap offers, because cheap offers will generate fast income for you and build your morale also. It will create sales history for you so your request can be approved fast. And you will have more buyers on your list. So in promoting inexpensive offers, you should pay attention to Warrior Plus. You will find plenty of low-ticket products there, unlike 𝐁𝐵. So you visit Warrior Plus and click on Marketplace. You will find several low-ticket products you can take and promote to your list. Another key point to getting successful promo is doing trainings for every offer you make to your list. This is a very good way to engage and connect with your subscribers. When writing the promo email you will send to them, you can add that you've tested. Another key point to getting successful promo is doing trainings for every offer you make to your list. This is a very good way to engage and connect with your subscribers. When writing the promo email you will send to them, you can add that you've tested the product before and know how it works, and that if they buy it through your link, you will teach them how the product works. The final point for a successful promo is to do a video review of the product. A video review is simply you doing a demonstration of how the product works and showing it to your subscribers. This will make your subscribers trust you and even buy more from you because not every affiliate marketer will go to the additional lengths of doing all this. In the review video, you introduce yourself and show your subscribers how the product works. Show them the benefits of using the product. So that's it for this section. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Affiliate promotion